Another day, another vlog.
Hello, hello.
Welcome to
Stanjel, town here in Slovenia, one of the in the wine region of Slovenia, near the coastline, and we're going to tour this town.
border of Slovenia and Italy.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, again, getting closer to the coastal line, everything becomes green. You can notice, by the way, two cypresses over there. These two trees, we haven't seen them before on our way. It shows us that we are getting closer to this Mediterranean climate. So mild Mediterranean, Adriatic, subtropical climate.
We entered there.
Huh?
We entered there.
Yeah. We'll go around and we'll exit from this side a little bit later. On above we have the castle. Well, again, the castle is not the castle exactly because mainly it comes from 18th century and nowadays houses a museum, a restaurant. We'll see the entrance from another side. And here we have like a circular trail around this hill, which will bring us to the garden area, so-called Ferrari Garden.
Wow.
And after that, to the village itself. Ferrari is not. It's not about the car.
Cars.
Yes, exactly. So it's called Ferrari Ferrari Garden. Ferrari, in this case, was an Italian physician who came here, who decided to settle down here in this small village in the beginning of 20th century. At that period of time, the mayor of this village was Max Fabiani. He was an architect. He built a lot in Ljubljana. After that devastating earthquake in 1895, there are lots of Fabiani's houses, buildings all over Ljubljana, and he was the mayor of this Stanjel village. So that Italian physician, Giuseppe Ferrari, he asked Fabiani to build him a garden over here, also to plan basically the garden area. What he did on another slope of this hill, well, mainly. Also he planted lots of the trees over here, mainly evergreens, so pines, cedars. Cedars are also typical thing for the coastal side because they do not grow over there in the central part. Here we have the mountains, but those are mainly covered with the clouds, so the highest peaks over there ahead of us up to 1500 meters, but we do not see this. We do not see this. The highest parts are covered with the clouds today.
Which town in Italy is the left side?
Well, the closest, well, bigger would be Trieste, of course, but we don't see it. It's a little bit to the left.
Okay.
And further, there are a few villages on that side. By the way, one of them is Prosecco. That famous Italian sparkling wine. It's Prosecco village.
Ferrari Garden.
As you can notice it's not a touristy place.
Yeah.
Even in summertime, sometimes you come here and there are 3 or 5 other people. And it's perfect. Yeah, they had boats over here in the beginning of 20th century.
This is what it looks like before.
That's the view from that side.
What's that church again?
St. Catherine's.
St. Catherine.
You can reach this place from Ljubljana. Not that often. In summertime they have wider itinerary and schedule for trains. In winter time it's complicated. Renovated, of course, but the stone is original. See, it's like everywhere because of the old cement and concrete or anything. Well, it was not concrete from the very beginning, of course, but cement, let's say. It gets older and just fall apart, everything fall out of here. So they have to do renovations from time to time, otherwise everything will fall down. No other way. In some areas you can even sometimes find old cement, old concrete, but not everywhere. Here everything is more modern.
Here.
Walk a little bit. Oh, yeah. Here to work, a small village, and so on. So you have to find something out of here. And just before this COVID times, the area started to become quite popular among the tourists. You know, people started to buy these old houses because most of them were for sale and far from perfect condition. So this is called Villa Villages, the owner of the garden. And they started to rebuild the houses. Small hotels, let's say apartment hotels. And then COVID started and everything was rebuilt as apartments for rent and so on. Everything here is built of this great gray stone, which is local type of limestone. Usually they cover the roofs also with this gray stone. I will show you on the place. I will have the possibility to see the most traditional type of houses. Regardless of wealth, like this one. I think this is more about these two, of course. This one is type of typical local house, again built of this limestone roof covered with the same limestone. You can notice this kind of pipe made of stone which brings water down below inside the well. And this is one of the ways how they used to collect the water. Yes, exactly. as the region is very dry. It's always very complicated. One more house, and
This is a big house.
Someone has bought it before this COVID time and prepared, you see, for some renovations, pipes, maybe water or something like this, electricity, and but again COVID and everything closed. At least for some period of time, so you can see. That side we have a museum, castle, also a restaurant.
Stanjel. Stanjel.
Stanjel.